Hey folks, it's JT. I'm sitting here in my Toyota. I had some lights burnt out on this side here. You couldn't tell what time it was. I had other lights burnt out down here. I took this whole control panel out today. I replaced all the bulbs. It didn't take me very long. And as you can see, everything's nice and bright now. Bulbs cost me about 40 bucks on Amazon. But at least I can see what's going on now. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that. That was my project for today. Tomorrow my project's going to be fixing my recliner. Got a couple broken springs on there. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.